So this is the new Pinecrest train station. Currently we're hovering over top of the baseball diamond nearby. Keep far clearance from anyone and anything that could be damaged. It just snowed quite a bit. Maybe a centimeter and a half in an hour, less than an hour. Everything is covered with snow again. Well, there was lots of snow to begin with, but there's a fresh dusting now. Soon enough, this will be the Pinecrest train station, and it won't look anything like what we're looking at now. Traffic here is a total mess due to the recent snow, and the on-ramp there, well, off-ramp actually, the Pinecrest off-ramp is still closed to anything but buses. Pretty cool. I'm gonna go over to Bayshore now and film some of the regular, well, film with my regular camera now, because I don't think we can fly around Bayshore. Oh, they're bringing in a bulldozer. Check it out. I just went through Lincoln Fields and they had a bulldozer in operation there with some dump trucks dumping stuff off. They work regardless of the weather, pretty much year-round. It's quite the construction project. I can't wait to ride it. The cold weather definitely eats the drone battery really fast. Alright, that's enough for this area for today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to click a like. It's just a short video showing the current progress, and I'm getting cold. So, see you all later. Cheers!